Hi friends, welcome to Geek Hollow YouTube channel. Today I'm show you a homemade Iron Man hand. It's a normal creation at present. But today I will show a voice-sensitive Iron Man hand, or Exoskeleton Iron Man hand. Can you even think about it? You know the Friday in Iron Man films. Meaning of this word is female replacement intelligent digital assistant youth. With this Friday master Thamara Wijerathna created an Iron Man hand. He is an Iron Man lover as you. We wish him the best in the future. His creation can directly talk with user. It has some commands. According to the commands it begins to work. It's very amazing feature. From video description you can get the Arduino file that he created to activate the hand. It took him 2 months to do this. Let me tell you a little bit about it. 6 servo motors, ice cream sticks, cardboard, lithium battery, Arduino Uno board, Arduino 16-channel servo controller. Jumper wires cost him for this design. Now you can see the works of our Iron Man hand. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and please drop a like and comment.
Friday show presentation.
Activating bomb door protocol.
Friday proton accelerator.
Target detected.
Friday stand down.
Standing down, sir.
Friday open hand.
Yes, sir.
Friday close hand.
As you wish, sir.
Thumbs up. Peace out. Rock out. Here.
At your service, sir.
Are you done uploading?
I have indeed been uploaded, sir. We are online and ready.
1. Can we start a virtual simulation?
Importing preferences. Calibrating virtual environment.
Do one last simulation. Check on control services.
As you wish, sir.
Now I will simply say about the functionality here. The software used for this is given in the video description. Software is connected with Google Voice Search. If I'm the user, through the Google Voice Search, my voice command is converted to codes. This code goes to Arduino board through the Bluetooth module. Then it finds the relevant command in the Arduino code and execute the command accordingly. You can see in the code that I have written the same command 10 or 9 times. The reason for writing this is because after going to Google Voice Search, sometimes the first letter of the command is recognized as capital or sometimes as simple, such that the command may change. If only one code is written, it will only work if it matches the command exactly. Then, as a ratio, activity is limited to 1/10. 9 or 10 of these codes are written, so the possibility of the Iron Man hand working is greater. The relevant command of the code found in the Arduino code is sent to the phone again through the Bluetooth module. A command relevant to the phone is also written in that code. Some people says that Iron Man will always be a fiction. Well, I am here to prove them wrong. The limit is your imagination. Sometimes it takes a little bit outside the box thinking. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. This is Geek Hollow YouTube channel.